This is Del Monte. Please watch your Stephanie's handhold. Once again, this is Del Monte. Please watch your Stephanie's handhold.
Good morning and welcome to El Monte. It's a nice little overcast today. Today's Tuesday, the 25th, something like that. Morning. Bubbles?
Nothing.
It's leaking.
Back it up. Okay.
Saudi Cup. Good morning. The shop is a mess. I didn't finish pulling out the old wiring over there. I need to put everything back. I need to organize these machines differently. Don't know how I'm going to put them yet, but I think most of these machines are going to be swapped with the welder and the welding table. And then earlier, we were looking for center pin bolts for a friend of ours. He came and got what he needed, and believe it or not, this was only a fraction of what was left over after organizing a lot of it and throwing away a lot of it. So we have SAE, and on this side metric over there. A lot of that stuff, it has random stuff in it. All these boxes were full of random stuff that we just dumped in here looking for extra center pin bolts. I haven't gone through any of this yet. I have a space for all these spacers. Lug nuts, there's a space for lug nuts over there next to that blue tote. Let me just clean up the shop and get all this conduit pulled and see where I leave off before I head home. Just grabbing those boxes up earlier from up there. Oh, this doesn't go over here. Huh? This goes over there. My bad. It's hot in here. You know, causing destruction to the shop, as always. So what I'm actually doing is just removing old outlets and wiring that we no longer use. The landlord's father that used to work out of the shop was actually a machinist. So for some reason he put a lot of the electrical low to the ground. I'm sure to reach his machines that he had here. But for us, it doesn't really suit us well since we have a lot of our toolboxes and shelves pressed up against the wall. So this is just one section that I'm working with now. In the future, I'm gonna be removing more. But yes, I'm also here to cause destruction. They don't call me the tornado for nothing, or what my brother likes to call me, the demo ninja. Oh no. Oh, it's heavy.
Come back and park the truck? Or do you want to move it?
No, I have to move my truck anyway, so
Okay.
I'll move it. Where are the keys?
I have new keys.
New keys for the door? The door locks?
The ignition. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
Look at where we go. Seriously, who's the rat? Who does that? These are all brand new. I haven't touched them yet. It's freaking crazy. Where did I leave off? So clean up this area. Let's push the Porsche forward. So we have a wind giraffe problem over here where all the neighbors' trash gets blown over here. They usually cut all kinds of flooring and wood and mold, side molding for houses. And all the pallet scrap, all their wraps and everything. It all gets blown over here into the shop. It needs to be swept up anyways because a lot of this is, or I'd say half of it is us. You can see all that metal dust and from grinding and cutting ourselves. So either way, it was going to be swept up anyway. What time is it? I got 10 more minutes. What shall I do? What shall I do? Guess I'll start organizing these. Probably gonna do this in the morning when I get here. It's pretty close. What is going on here? I can't wait for this train. If I would have waited for that, I would have for sure missed the train home. What time is it? $17.54. Train usually gets at Almani around 1808. I still would have made it if I would have waited for that train, but I would have had to haul some butt. Oh, look at, they're getting ready for the fireworks. There's a train. Ugh. It's a little early. It's about 7 minutes early. Should wait a few minutes since they're early. I hope. It's a little early, huh?
Huh?
A little early?
Yeah, we're over.
Do you guys usually wait a few minutes, right?
Yeah, we don't leave till 8.
Okay.
6:08.
Welcome home to San Bernardino. Got the crew coming in. What you say? Oh, you're an animal. Are you ready going home?
Making like a U-turn, and the kids and I are coming, and there's a car that's parked on the street, and we're right there, almost to the front of the car, and he's making the U-turn, and he literally almost like he would have hit us. And so I like got off the bike, I like braked, and then I got off the bike to like make sure that we stopped fully, and then he was like, "I'm sorry," and he didn't even say anything.
All you gotta say is, I go left. Good luck, everybody else.
He was making a U-turn.
I make U-turn. Good luck, everybody else. Oh, they cut the bushes. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, stop picking your nose, Mike. Hey, window licker. Getting off? Got your shoes on?
Yeah. I leave my toy in there.
Yeah, leave your toy in there.
Oh. So bad guys don't take them?
Yeah, so the bad guys don't steal them.
Start doing.
Okay. Well, you know they're gonna run. Oh, pick it up. Oh, Mike's catching up to you, Macy.
Wait, puppy.